I want to thank the guys at Narcissus for sending this rice cooker and everything that comes in it. It's really nice. I'm very excited about it. I just want to show you how beautifully made and how everything is taken care of in this product. You see that? Really nice. These are the things that come. I'm not going to do an unboxing video. Just going to show you what comes in it. This is the steamer plate. It's made out of plastic. This is a nice spoon, because that way you don't scratch. Yeah, this is for measurement for the rice, so that you do good portion control. And this is so that you don't scratch the Teflon surface on the pot. So super well made. Look at this. These guys do everything right. They coated the Teflon on both sides of the pot. You never see this, right? And let me show you. This is the rice cooker, the inside. That's what heats it up, right? That's where the magic happens, right there. And this will not only do rice, but it'll do porridge. You see that plug? That shows you that they're serious about the product. You never see plugs like this in rice cookers, not the rice cookers of this size. So this is really well made. So well made that they give you a 1-year manufacturing guarantee on it. They'll return the whole thing within a year of you buying it if you have any problems with it. You don't stand behind a product with a warranty like that unless you know you made it like you did it and put this thing together well. Now let me show you what the modes that it has. So when you want to do rice, my recommendation for rice, I eat rice every day, or quinoa or grechka, which is a Russian rice that they use. That's what I'm going to use mostly. This to cook with, you take 1 whole scoop of rice, boom, and then it says 1 to 1, but I put 1 of these of water and a lid and half of it, and then you put it in there, and you have rice, enough rice for 1.5 person. It depends on how much rice you eat, right? So, but it's important that however much rice you put in there, it never exceeds that measurement right there that it says 3.5. You see? I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah, you see it right there. Okay? So it shouldn't exceed that. Now, you put a cup of this water in the bottom. You put this tray there with vegetables or with anything you want to steam, and there you go. You can steam anything you want, right? I usually what I steam is like beans and carrots and sometimes potatoes and that kind of stuff, right? Now, when you're doing the rice, you put everything in there, and then you put the lid on, and it latches on. Boom. Boom. And then you turn it on, right? You plug it in, and right here is the setting for the different the panel for the different settings that you can do. You can start from like just doing rice, to slow cooking, to steaming, to doing porridge. Depending on the setting that you want, that is what you're going to do. Now, very important. You see this right here? Never put your hands there. That's where the steam lets off, right? Because this is going to be steaming the whatever you put in there, and the steam goes out that way. So yeah, I want to thank the guys at Narcissus for sending this over. It's going to be put to great use, and I'm going to make another video to show you soon my recipe for rice. I put like nice seasoning in there, some coconut oil. Really, really good. Super, super recommend.